All right, guys, here with the Road King. Just doing a walk around video. A little before, we're gonna do some suspension upgrades. Right now, she's got the air suspension, and I'm just looking to get a little more lean angle, a little more agility. I know it's a Harley and it's not an R1, but you know, just trying to get a little more out of it. She currently has the air suspension. As you can see here, the switches for the air suspension. If you can hear that, that's to air up. She'll be coming up. And there she is coming up. I feel like over 70 miles per hour. I don't know, I feel like I don't have much grip. It could be the tires too, but we're gonna upgrade the tires too. We got the Messlers, same tire size, but these have a little more of a round shape, I guess you can say. These are gonna give us better turning angle, and we'll see how it goes. Keep you guys posted. I think my last video was a post of the audio problem I was having, and it looks like it was the amp. I replaced it with the same Harley Rock Fosgate amp. I didn't want to upgrade and just mess around with other wiring. Kept the factory. Maybe I'll upgrade the audio later on. But for now, we're gonna focus on the suspension and the tires, and we'll start from there. Hopefully we get a better lean angle. We'll probably get a little more height on the rear to help with the turn-ins, and let's see how it goes. I'll keep you guys posted.